welcome you to watching on Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. CM inaugurates Indoor Sports Hall in Upper Shillong. MP Saling Samla visits Eklavya Model Residential School in Samla. CM Conrad Samla opens 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 in West Jatigills. 10th anniversary of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme celebrated in Khubor. Now the news in detail. On January 22nd, Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla inaugurated the newly constructed Indoor Sports Hall at Lumauba, Upper Shillong. The event was graced by former MLA and advisor to the Chief Minister, Hamid Sondoling, along with other dignitaries, including the Chief Engineer of the State Sports Council. The sports facility, built at a cost of Rs 1.55 crore, was funded under a scheme from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. Village leaders, members of the Lumauba Sports and Cultural Club and local residents also attended the inauguration.
Out here to thank the people who have made this particular infrastructure a possibility. Our former minister, Hamid Sondoling, was the key person to push this particular project, along with Daniel and the members of the society, along with the members of the Darbar, and it is because of their hard work, it is because of their dedication, and because of the blessings from the Almighty, that we have finally seen this very, very long pending demand of the people of Lumauba finally fructifying and seeing the light of day. So on behalf of all the people present out here, I would like to thank all the stakeholders, especially Hamid Sondoling, for having taken the initiative to make this particular place a possibility. I would request that we should give a round of applause to him and to others who have made this happen.
On January 22nd, 2025, Member of Parliament Saling Samla visited the Eklavya Model Residential School in Samanda, South Garo Hills. During his visit, he inspected the ongoing construction work and interacted with the students. Accompanied by Deborah Marak, President of MPCC, along with the ADC and an engineer from East Garo Hills, Samla emphasized the importance of timely completion and high-quality construction of the school building. He highlighted that the Eklavya Model Residential School in Siju Block would greatly benefit local students. Samla also reviewed the school's development plans with staff from the block office, recommending the creation of a well-designed structure to ensure the school's efficient functioning.
수비다로 딱 이거라고 하네. 문제는 소나면 you have to give a directive to the contractors because contractor he himself has done in antam gap specification ko nemena bedewa 수비다로 까. You don't have the site plan. Site plan bawa yang na where is the site plan? Site plan the whole design is not ko ni gre temen na option onaro abiyo yano girls hostel can, boys hostel can, school, feel. The feel ko one can the angma natin, one or chok, tadi feel that chico so ano no. Well, banu chok yan yan po, but chok.
Yeah, kung nakapagawa ka niya.
See, many days of feel it. Feel ko sa ko banu ba school is safe mo o na kata rin taro. So, total site plan ya area, gumas min site plan ko. May bakal na rin. May sukot mano. Kata rin taro. Ye feel na may taro mo. So da ako na pa ko may itul dari. Pero hindi dong sa angan alaga nangin. Lalo angin pala gusto ng women iba niya. We have to be practical, right? We have to think for our people. Are we able to give them a job tomorrow? We can't. Why do we fool them then? Arubam Musalama, this is such a good idea. In Shillong, you cannot expect a length for more than the expectation. Otherwise, you will go. So, what's the use of having Shillong?
The 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 officially kicked off on January 21st with Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla inaugurating the event at Wayajer Multi-Sports Complex, West Jaintia Hills. The opening ceremony was attended by Deputy Chief Ministers Snyabhalang Dhar and Prestun Tansong, Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Shaklayar Warjri, and other key leaders including Amprin Lingdo and Lakman Rumbui. In his address, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla expressed his delight at witnessing the event and commended the efforts of the sports department, government officials and participating teams in organizing the tournament. He emphasized the importance of engaging youth in sports and stressed the need to develop districts by hosting such events across Meghalaya.
It's yours now. Gates on the rings.
On January 22nd, the District Social Welfare Office, through the Sankalp District Hub for Empowering Women, celebrated the 10th anniversary of the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme, which was launched in 2015 to promote the protection and rights of children and women and to combat gender discrimination. Nongpo MLA Meryl Bond's aim graced the event as a chief guest, with MB Tongper ADC Ribhoy serving as the guest of honor. The event was attended by NF Sun, DSWO, S. Thank You, gender specialists, Ashas, Anganwadi workers, and other local leaders. As part of the celebration, the department honored outstanding women for their contributions to the community. recognized were Kong W. Dokait, an Anganwadi worker, Kong M. Rambai, a medalist in the Asia Arm Wrestling Cup and Marathon competitions, and Kong Bis Aim, a sericulture expert dedicated to sharing her knowledge.
Kersan yang di kami kersan yang dikutip kita disebut program sosial dan development. Soal kersan nak support nak semua hidup semua orang di negara kita juga nak tahu kita support kita. Kerana ni slogan bahagian negatif ini kita support dan balik sekarang begitu kimat kalau kita campaign mengenai sains itu apa kimat fair di konsul dan komponen reality juga di program yang mana kita kalau akan support apa lubun kita lubun kam kita dan kam apa karya lombre komandre jadi dikenal kita kita di pausna ane matmat tidak di asal itu di Anganwadi worker itu apa yang disiu diberi pos di hadapan di surau dan dawa yang apa jadi insentif diterapkan di alur yang bukan dari usaha sokhan usaha sukai risiko publik saja itu dengan siap untuk kita tentang di asal yang ba terus bantu biasa diperhatikan ba di program yang terkenal seperti health department ba di police di bypass kilo menjingkir waktu hari itu bridge dekat between the health system and the public at large kemudian berjalan dia jadi segeri di bawah sorga dan normal karena kerja siapa baiklah asal baru masuk di sini betul tidak beliau ada rekod di hari video di Jepang fair berat perlukan agar mungkin buat itu sedikit itu ini juga bersedia sokar sokeram yang ikam di bawah PPA ini juga mereka bersama tahun tidak kita bersama kami tidak di SAG is self-help group your head di village organization jadi bersama dengan sokar pen nak kita berbicara membangun dengan national rural livelihood mission dan lain-lain. But I go banyak tempat yang di village organization banyak tempat yang di self-help group bagi generasi muda di era kuno yang bekerja yang menjadi dan mereka sokar kadang dilatih jika tidak disebut pertama yang disuruh sokaro pada persyaratan nasional di polisi persyaratan nasional program hotel ban adres dan ban jumpa di sini menyimpang walau kata apa yang dijual maupun mengenai negara yang dibeli insyaallah.
In celebration of the 10th anniversary of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, the District Social Welfare Officer DSWO Noston, in collaboration with the District Sankalp Hub for Women Empowerment, East and West Khasi Hills District, organized a special program at the Multi-Purpose Hall of the Deputy Commissioner's Office, Mausawa. The event was attended by Additional Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi Hills District, V.A. Nyota, who was the chief guest, along with D. Pakanten, DSWO Noston, Sumarbiang Thaba, DMC DHEW, and other government officials. Women from the region also participated. The program focused on the objectives of the BBBP scheme, emphasizing its role in empowering girls and promoting a gender-equal society.
What does BBB do? Number one, you focus on the education. I think last year, 2024, you like your organized board program, you like your organized the way program, very special program having the Katsa college. Correct? The Tong Chokani, they will promote for the betterment trong ki khôn kan the ha ki in long sa lang trong ni. Di ya kata we focus ke education. Kumingin kan mau ya Nelson Mandela which on education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Kaya nga ko aban tong ha ni report ma mi don lang ha ni ki akan budi workers nganget ni fi ki akan budi workers ka don ka kamram trong fi ka behe ha kam don na ka banta ki thei ni rap namar ba ni pun ka drop outs kadang dang queue ha ka district ki jami Devini putslur ya ki kan thei ba ki nya chhat kam tam ha ka jipuli jiputhi jongki naman daga kan thei ka start da kan te ta ya ka yen ka san jongka ka te ya ka yen ka san jongka ka te ya ka im long sa la ka long ka priu ka ba shai ba undan priu ba la ka le ben ya ka kan thei daga ek jing ka pa ka jona ba ka ni ka por kum kadak bangin celebrate ya ka ni ka 10 year celebration of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao nga prakha karpa ni pa rakhot nang ni shikmat in the tray kham jam na ka banta ka jing baha jing ya ki khon ka thei la ni ni ki thei pa rakhot ki badan ha ye hasan ki im long sala tam kita ki bless you.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.